All right, it's getting a little late here, so let me get this video in before it gets dark. We replaced all the T111 siding here. We did some fascia board on here, trim work, so we pretty much completely redid the siding on this laundry room. And that was quite a bit of work there. Got that piece of fascia board replaced there. Fascia board, T111, 1x4 trim. We replaced about 8 studs and a king stud right behind that siding. When we removed the T111, the termite damage was pretty bad there, so we had to do that. All the fascia board here, the A-frame area was all replaced. All the T111 siding was replaced. We added trim. This was trim that was added that wasn't even there before. A lot of the trim was actually not even there, period. And but we just want to leave it nice, so that got replaced. Door trim got replaced. A lot of those trim pieces. This support post here got replaced. Brand new post there. That piece of wood going all the way across right there is like a custom cut 1x7 right there. Got replaced. Fascia board got replaced. All right, let's go to the back. Got people over there partying it up. Fascia board replaced. Tons of woodwork underneath the house. I mean, we did a lot of reinforcements down there. We did tons of work. Made a new door for this access point. Stucco patched that area. There was a big hole right there. So we're back over here where we started. Once again, that all got redone. A lot of little touch-ups here and there. Brand new door right here. Jam and everything. Got some woodwork done right here. Yes, I'm done with the compressor. We had to cut that down flush, and we patched it all up, detailed the wood out, and primered it. And then over here there was like more of little items that needed to be corrected. Like there, we had to do some work there. Down low on the jams, we had to do some work. But yeah, this has been quite a project, and I know there's a lot of hours that have taken place here. So we thank our termite crew for all the hard work. This was not an easy job, especially with the rain. It just kind of threw a wrench in everything. But we're pretty much done here. Oh, hold on, let me show you some work in here that we actually did inside the house. I almost forgot. We did some sheetrock repair. As you can see right here, all the sheetrock was all damaged. We repaired it. Let me close this window while I'm at it. So that got done. Patched up this area here. Replace this piece right there. Replace baseboard pieces here And then there was some work done in here. And then there was just random areas here. Like up here, we did some sheetrock work up there. And then in some of the bedrooms, there was some more work done. All right, so this wraps up this job. It's about to get dark. We're about to get done. And yeah, very happy on the turnout. And once again, thank you to our termite department for coming out and making this happen. All right.